Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by killing power. Flip the breaker or remove batteries and verify 0V with a meter. While the lock is de-energized, take close photos of the wiring and latch orientation so you can reverse it later. Grab a Phillips, flathead, 5mm hex and needle nose pliers. Have your replacement lock ready. Once done, remove interior trim screws and backplate. Make sure to keep screws in a small container and label any connectors so nothing gets mixed up. You now separate the interior from the exterior, unscrew the mounting plate and pull assemblies apart slowly to avoid pinching wires. Label each wire or harness with tape and remove connectors. If sensors or reed switches are present, note their position. Extract the old latch and measure backset and thickness. Install the new latch, matching handedness and depth so the bolt retracts smoothly. Once the mechanical parts are correct, route wires through the hole and prepare the new lock for final electrical connections. You reconnect each labeled wire to the matching terminal and secure connectors. Tuck wiring to prevent pinching. Restore power and run both a manual and electrical test. Actuate the lock, watch bolt travel, and listen for grinding. If it binds, kill power and realign the latch or strike. Once tests pass, tighten mounting screws evenly, adjust the strike plate so the bolt seats without force, and test the door several times. If it fails, check wiring polarity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.